This one comes up a bit actually, and it should be really straightforward. But it's one that we probably underestimate. Say a car like this has an automatic, sorry, this car is really dirty. It's got an automatic park brake. Fine. So instead of having a manual handbrake, you have a button. So to engage the handbrake, you lift and the handbrake is on. So like what we said, I lift the button and the handbrake comes on, right? No big deal there. Now, normally in driving conditions, usual driving conditions, yes, I am wearing a pink jumper. All you do is drive away, but your safety belt needs to be on to disengage the handbrake. So all I would do in this case then is I can just flip the throttle, so the clutch comes up, bit of throttle, and the handbrake then automatically releases as I drive away. So no big deal there. Fine. To engage the handbrake, I lift. Right, for a lot of people, say if they want to move the car without the handbrake on. So same thing again, you go for gear, you go to drive away, and it won't release you, you're kind of stuck. So it's saying to release the electronic park brake, close the doors, the hood, the tailgate, and fasten the safety belt. So someone might say, well look, I just want to move the car, I don't want to have to put the safety belt on. Foot on the brake, handbrake down. So that's how you release it. So basically, foot on the brake, push the button downwards, handbrake is off, and now we can move. So, I thought nearly everyone, I know that's a really simple thing, but there's actually quite a few people that don't know that. That one's a manual, so that's what we were looking at. This one here is an automatic. But it's the exact same principle, so just foot on the brake. Again, the car's filthy, but foot on the brake and push the button downwards and it'll release the handbrake if you're not using your safety belt. Hopefully it's useful. Thanks for watching.